What's going on, everybody? Elite Motorsports here. Just got in this 23 Road Glide ST. Stick around to the end of the video for a startup. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate it. This flake is very clean, low mileage, custom pinstriping all over. Upgraded slip-ons, docking hardware for a future passenger backrest or luggage rack or even a tour pack. Got LED turn signals and tail lights. Upgraded shifter linkage, upgraded shifter slotted arms and pegs. Got highway pegs. Bike only has 1737 miles on it. Upgraded grips. Upgraded front turn signals too, all LED. Give us a call at 1-866-427-5398. Thank you.